Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Swesti Nugrahini, and I am delighted to be here today to tell you about use of Katuk, Sauropus androgynous leaves to improve breastfeeding. My presentation is divided into 5 parts, namely introduction, research result, discussion, conclusion, and the last part is part of speech. I will start with introduction. Sauropus androgynous leaves has long been used in medicine traditional in Indonesia to improve breast milk production, mainly due to contain diverse phytochemicals, including sterol, papaverine, and other active compounds that can stimulate hormone production, prolactin, and oxytocin. These hormones very important in the lactation process, where prolactin plays a role in the synthesis of breast milk and oxytocin in breast milk production. The use of catoclips as galactogogum, milk increasing agent, also supported by ethnomedical studies, which reveal that the community in some areas catoclips in the form of vegetables, stew, and juice for increased breast milk production. This study confirmed that consumption of catoclips regularly during breastfeeding can increase breast milk volume and provide additional health benefits for mother and baby. I would now like to move on to the next part, namely research result. Phytosterol and papaverine in catoclips play an important role in stimulating the hormone prolactin and oxytocin, which are critical for the lactation process, which has a direct impact on increasing breast milk production and breast milk quality by increasing the content of essential nutrients for baby development. Consumption of catoclips significantly increases prolactin levels in breastfeeding mother, directly contributing to increasing of in a way the volume breast milk production by supporting the hormones involved in the lactation process. I would now like to move on to the next part, namely discussion. Research by Amalia and Isani 2021 shows that catoclips contain phytosterol and papaverine, which are important in stimulating the hormones prolactin and oxytocin, the two main hormones that play a role in breast milk production and secretion. Prolactin is responsible for the synthesis and production of breast milk, while oxytocin helps in the process of milk ejection from the breast. With the increase in these hormones, consumption of catoclips can directly increase the volume and quality of breast milk, which is very important to meet the nutritional needs of babies in their early life. Research by Primadani 2021 highlights how to consume catoclips can increase prolactin levels in breastfeeding mother. Increased prolactin levels these directly contribute to increase in the volume of breast milk production. In addition that the antioxidant properties of catoclips help reduce oxidative stress in breastfeeding mother, which can improve the quality and quantity of breast milk produced. This study also shows that catoclips can be used as part from a broader intervention strategy to support maternal and infant health. In this context, catoclips are not only function as a natural galactogogum, but also as a nutritional supplement that can improve maternal well-being overall. I would now like to move on to the next part, namely conclusion. Catoclif, Sauropus androgynous, has been shown to be effective in improving breast milk production and quality through increasing prolactin and oxytocin hormones and decreasing oxidative stress. Consumption of catoclips in various forms significantly increases milk volume and provides additional health benefits to breastfeeding mother. And the last part is the part of speech. First, there are pronouns, namely relative pronoun, which used to replace subject and object that are things or other than people. In this example, which refers to catoclips. The next relative pronoun is relative pronoun that. That refers to a thing or sometimes a person. To this example, that refers to catoclips. Next, there are countable nouns. Catoclips is a countable noun because they are things that can be counted. The next countable noun is medicine. Medicine is a countable noun because they are things that can be counted. The next countable noun is vegetables. Vegetables is a countable noun because they are things that can be counted. Next, there are a non-countable noun. Milk is a non-countable noun because they are something that we cannot calculate using numbers. The next non-countable noun is juice. Juice is a non-countable noun because they are something that we cannot calculate using numbers. Next, there are nouns. Lactation. Lactation refers to the secretion of milk by the mammary glands. Next, there are noun secretion. In the sentence, the word secretion means secretion of mother's milk. The next noun is production. In the sentence, the word production means milk production. The next noun is community. In the sentence, the word community means society. The next noun is consumption. In the sentence, the word consumption means use. Next, there are verbs stimulating. In this context, stimulate function as a verb denoting the action to increase hormone production. The next verb is breastfeeding. Breastfeeding is the process of feeding an infant or young child with breast milk from the mother's breast. The next verb is provide. In the sentence, the word provide means to give. The next verb is support. In the sentence, the word supported means reinforce. Next, there are adjectives decreasing. In the sentence, the word decrease means reduce or lower, so can be interpreted as reduce oxidative stress. The next adjective is involve. In the sentence, the word involve means related to. This is a bibliography of research journal. That's all from me. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.